Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when a disc is unreadable on your Xbox One. Now the first thing we want to try is going up to the settings options right here. And then on the left side here, go to devices and connection. Then go over to where it says Blu-ray and select this. And we want to go to persistent storage. Then clear the persistent storage. Some Blu-ray discs may download related content which hold persistent storage. Sometimes this is needed to be cleared so you can use the related content from other disks. So we need to clear the persistent storage right there. Now another thing that we can try is to hard reset the Xbox by holding down the power button and then go to turn off Xbox One. So with the Xbox One completely turned off, turn it around and unplug the power cord and leave this unplugged for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. And when it's unplugged, you can hold down the Xbox button right here and just drain any kind of residual power. Then plug it back in and see if this fixes your issue. Now another thing that you could try is cleaning off your disc. But most of the time, if you just have kind of like a smudge on your disc, using a microfiber cleaning cloth like this can clear off any kind of fingerprints or smudges. So make sure your disc is completely cleaned. And a microfiber cleaning cloth won't scratch your disc at all. These are commonly used with glasses, or sometimes you might have one if you are washing dishes. The rag that you use for that could be a microfiber cleaning cloth as well. So you could take a little bit of toothpaste, rub it on here, clean it off completely, then wash off the disc, and then use a microfiber cleaning cloth to clear any remaining smudges. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.